Congratulations on coming to the last video of this course. AI is a superpower, and understanding it allows you to do things that very few people on the planet can. Let's summarize what you've seen in this course. In the first week, you learned about AI technology. What is AI? And what is machine learning? What's supervised learning? That is learning input-output or A to B mappings, as well as what is data science and how data feeds into all of these technologies. Importantly, you also saw examples of what AI can and cannot do. In the second week, you learned what it feels like to build an AI project. You saw the workflow of machine learning projects, of collecting data, building a system, and deploying it, as well as the workflow of data science projects. And you also learned about carrying out technical diligence to make sure a project is feasible, together with business diligence to make sure that the project is valuable before you commit to taking on a specific AI project. In the third week, you learned how such AI projects could fit in the context of your company. You saw examples of complex AI products, such as a smart speaker or a self-driving car, the roles and responsibilities of large AI teams, and you also saw the AI transformation playbook, the 5-step playbook for helping a company become a great AI company. I hope these materials throughout these first 3 weeks can help you brainstorm AI projects or think about how you might be able to use AI in your company or in your organization. In this week, week 4, you learned about AI and society. You saw some of the limitations of AI beyond just technical limitations, and also learned about how AI is affecting developing economies and jobs worldwide. You've learned a lot in these 4 weeks, but AI is a complex topic, so I hope you will keep on learning, whether through additional online courses, through Coursera or deeplearning.ai, or books or blogs, or just by talking to friends. If you ever want to try your hand at building AI technology, it is now easier than ever to learn to code and learn how to implement AI technology through these resources. If you'd like to keep on receiving information about AI, you can also sign up for the deeplearning.ai mailing list by going to the deeplearning.ai website and signing up there. I'll occasionally send you useful information about AI through that mailing list. Congratulations on finishing this course. You're now significantly ahead of many large company CEOs in your understanding of AI and your ability to plan for the rise of AI. So I hope that you provide leadership to others as well that are trying to navigate these issues. Lastly, I want to say to you, thank you very much for taking this course. I know that you're busy with your own work or school and friends and family, and I'm grateful that you spend so much time with me and in this course learning these complex issues relating to both the technology and the impact of AI. So thank you very much for both the time and the effort you put into this course.